My name is Dr. Barnett, and I'm going to be assisting you today. What is your profession, and why is this patient here today?
I am a chemical engineer. I create and design chemical manufacturing processes. Chemical engineers are required to apply the principles of chemistry, biology, physics, and math to solve problems that involve the production and use of chemicals, fuels, drugs, and food and other products. The role of a chemical engineer includes researching new methods of manufacturing chemicals, creating the process by which gas or liquid elements are separated, collecting estimates of the cost of production, and designing and applying safety procedures for potentially dangerous chemicals. The median annual wage for a chemical engineer is $98,340. My partner here is also a chemical engineer. We were working on creating this molecule, aspirin, and she had a major headache and didn't know what to do, so she decides to take a handful of aspirins and begins hallucinating. And now we're here.
What exactly is aspirin?
Aspirin is a blood thinner and non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug. Basically, it's used to reduce hot, swollen injuries and pain. It can treat pain, fever, headaches, and inflammation, and can reduce the risk of heart attacks. Pi bonds are double bonds. Sigma bonds are basically all the bonds in a molecule. There are 5 total bonds in an aspirin atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are 21 total sigma bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Aspirin is both beneficial and harmful because the daily use of it can lower the risk of heart attacks, reduce headaches, and body aches or fever. So aspirin is mostly beneficial, but is harmful because it can cause internal bleeding if used daily. Aspirin is polar in respect to oxygen. It's a reactive molecule because it isn't unpredictable and responds to your body's situation.
How is aspirin stored?
Aspirin should be stored in a dry place of room temperature. Your bathroom is usually hot, so it's not a good place to store it. So find a good dry place with the temperature not too hot, not too cold, and place it there. This molecule, aspirin, is made of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. All the gray atoms are carbon atoms. All the white atoms are hydrogen atoms, and all the red are oxygen atoms. Possible for this patient to have surgery.
I'm sorry, that can't happen because this patient has taken too much aspirins, and surgery can't take place because there will be too much bleeding in that process, but I'll see what I can do.
Thank you very much. As a chemical engineer, I believe that aspirin should be used if necessary, but please do not overdose. Thank you.